Eating healthy food is really important. It's the cornerstone of a vibrant and energetic life. When we choose fresh, wholesome foods, we are investing in our well-being and future. It helps us grow strong and stay healthy. Nutritious food fuels our bodies, allowing us to perform at our best, whether we're playing, working, or simply enjoying life. When we eat good food, we feel good too. Healthy eating boosts our mood and keeps us feeling positive and happy. Sharing nutritious meals with friends and family can also strengthen our bonds and create joyful memories. Just like a car needs fuel, our bodies need nutritious food to work properly. Without the right nutrients, we can't function at our best. Think of healthy food as the premium fuel that keeps our engines running smoothly. Fruits, vegetables, and grains give us energy. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber that our bodies need to stay energized and active throughout the day. Imagine having lots of energy to play and learn. With the right nutrition, we can excel in our activities, whether it's running, studying, or exploring nature. That's what healthy eating can do. It brings people together, encourages creativity in the kitchen, and makes every meal an opportunity to nourish our bodies and souls. It's like giving our bodies the best fuel to run smoothly. When we prioritize healthy eating, we set ourselves up for a life full of vitality, joy, and endless possibilities. A balanced diet is like a colorful rainbow on our plate. It's not just about eating, it's about enjoying a variety of foods that provide us with the nutrients we need to thrive. Imagine each meal as a palette of colors, each color representing a different nutrient that our body craves. It has different kinds of foods in the right amounts. This means including a mix of fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, and dairy in our daily meals. Each food group plays a unique role in maintaining our health and well-being. We need fruits and vegetables for vitamins and minerals. These colorful foods are packed with essential nutrients that help our bodies function properly. From boosting our immune system to keeping our skin healthy, fruits and vegetables are a vital part of our diet. These help our bodies stay strong and fight off sickness. Eating a variety of fruits and vegetables ensures we get a wide range of vitamins and minerals, which are crucial for our overall health. Carbohydrates like rice, bread, and pasta give us energy to move and play. They are our body's main source of fuel, providing the energy we need to stay active throughout the day. Including whole grains in our diet can also help with digestion and keep us feeling full longer. Don't forget protein, found in foods like beans, lentils, meat, and fish. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, making enzymes and hormones, and supporting overall growth and development. Protein helps our bodies grow and repair themselves. Including a variety of protein sources in our diet ensures we get all the essential amino acids our body needs. So whether it's plant-based or animal-based, make sure to include protein in every meal. Some people choose specific ways of eating to align with their health goals, ethical beliefs, or personal preferences. Vegans don't eat any animal products, like meat, eggs, or dairy. This means their diet is entirely plant-based, focusing on fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, and seeds. They get their protein from plants. Common sources include lentils, tofu, chickpeas, and beans. Many vegans also enjoy plant-based protein shakes. Vegetarians don't eat meat, but might eat eggs or dairy. This allows them to enjoy a variety of dishes that include animal byproducts like cheese, yogurt, and eggs. The keto diet is high in fats and low in carbohydrates. This diet aims to put the body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead of carbs. It focuses on foods like meat, cheese, and healthy oils. Avocados, nuts, and seeds are also popular choices for those following a keto lifestyle. It's important to talk to a doctor or a dietitian before making big changes to what we eat. They can provide personalized advice and ensure that our new diet meets all our nutritional needs. Section 4. The power of nutrition, fueling your body for optimal health. Good nutrition is like a superpower. It helps our bodies stay healthy inside and out. When we eat nutritious food, our brains work better, we have more energy, and our hearts stay strong. Healthy eating can even help prevent some illnesses, like heart disease and diabetes. It's like giving our bodies the best defense against getting sick. Section 5. Practical tips for lasting wellness, making healthy eating a lifestyle. Drinking lots of water is important too. It keeps us hydrated and helps our bodies function properly. Try swapping sugary drinks for water or unsweetened tea. Remember, healthy eating is a journey, not a race. Small changes make a big difference over time. Let's make healthy choices together and enjoy the benefits of a happy and healthy